Well, first I flutter my eyelashes.
Excellent.
Then I get to flutter my eyelashes. Then I'm gonna flutter my eyelashes too.
These cute. These are so, ooh! These are so cute. Like, look, I just look like, hi. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back again with another lash haul. Today we will be reviewing the REMY lashes from Ardell. I've heard so much about these. Even when I was in Ulta, they were like, you gotta try the REMYs, try the REMYs. So I was like, oh, okay, I'll try the REMYs. So before I get into it, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And also don't forget to hit that notification button so you know when I upload all these lash try on hauls, y'all. Let's get right into it because I'm liking these already. Alright guys, so these are the 782s from the REMY lashes. Let me get right into what they say about these REMY lashes, girl. These are 100% premium REMY hair with invisible band. So these are keratin infused and tapered tips. These are from the Ardell Professionals. I see why they were telling me get the 782s, you gotta get them. I said, I'll try them. Shoot, they don't say I'm gonna try them. Now the tapered tips, yes. The keratin infused, check, yes. The dimension of this thing, the invisible band, check. These went on really easy, just like the previous 3D faux mink ones. These went on pretty easy, and they are gorgeous. Like, now this hair is definitely hair. It's not like the faux mink, which is that silky, feathery feel. These definitely are the REMY hairs. These are eye-catching. Like, my eyes are sparkling right now. Like, look, I just look like, hi. It's just, these are very, very flirty, but very natural too. I love these. Even the texture of the hair feels and looks the same. It's a little bit kind of wispy, kind of wild looking. These bad boys, girl, look at them. These is hot. I like these. These are really, really hot. Look at that. Look at that eye. Look. Oh my goodness, look at that eye. Like, this is insane. When I'm looking at it, I'm just like, it does have certain kind of a curl and it looks really like your lash. These definitely look like they grow from your eyeball, like your eyelid straight up. These really, really do look like your lashes, but better. These are my go-to lashes. I'm sorry. You're gonna see me nothing but this the mask on, walk around like, what? Being all flirty. These are coming for the 3D faux minks. Wait a minute. Good structure. These are structured really, really well. I can see it already. So let's get into the next pair. I can't wait. These cute. These is so cute. Look at that. Y'all, okay. So these are the 778s from the Remy Lashes collection. These are curly Qs. They go straight up to the sky. They are very lightweight. They're not as full as the 782s. The 778s have a beautiful curl. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that curl. Look at it. Bling, 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 bling. These are very lightweight. Let me tell you, these lashes, I think the Invisible Band again with Ardell is like really on it. These went on in literally 2 seconds flat. Like it was like, doop, doop, doop. Done. I was like, what? Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Because I was like, why? Because I was like, what are y'all doing with these Invincible Bands? These I don't have to cut. I realized the Remy, I haven't had to cut either one. They're perfect. I'm keeping all these Remy lashes. I haven't even finished. 3D Faux Minks and Remy lashes so far, hands down, are the best Ardell lashes. Like, hands down, hands down. 2 in a row is good enough for me. That's all I need to know. Definitely gonna buy some more styles of these. Just look at these. These are flirty as well, but these are very, very curly. So curly. They almost look like they disappear within the inner part of the eye. But I promise you, see, they look like they disappear and you see nothing but the curl out here. But close up, curly all the way around. These do remind me of the Luxe extensions from Kiss Lash. Ardell got those invisible bands down pat because these things go on like butter. And I'm like, when did I become perfect at putting on lashes? Glue always kick everybody's behind. I'm telling y'all, these lashes bomb. Like, these lashes are hot. I like Remy lashes. I like me some Remy lashes. I love these. These are more than Alright guys, these are the last pair that I was able to pick up. These are the 776 ones. These are very different from the other two, as you probably can definitely tell. These actually have a silky feel compared to those other two. Those really do feel like straight up like more Remy hair. This feels more silky, a little different texture, y'all. It's a little bit different, but I actually like that these are still have a curl. They are very thin. They do have natural straight pieces, and then they have pretty much, they're choppy. They have like straight pieces in there that are longer. They have about it kind of goes kind of like the little graph, you know, the little analytic graphs. It has a sharp looking one. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 longer pieces within the lash band that sticks up and pokes out. The rest are cut shorter. I kind of like that it's choppy. These, I may need to cut these just a little, just the last little extra curl at the end. These are interesting. I don't have anything quite of this design. Now, the lash band, did it go on easy again? Yes, again. These lash band from Ardell these are chef's kiss. These are a very different style. As you can see, these are choppy. These are very interesting. I don't think I've ever had any quite like this design. I think the winner of all today is Remy lashes, y'all, because Faux Mink, they did the thing. I like how even more feathery those feel, but all of these styles are really different. They perform very well in my eye, and they were easy to put on, and they had a little bit more dimension compared to the 3D Faux Mink ones. But I think, yeah, the Remy ones, I think I want to keep all of them because these are pretty impressive. Remy Lashes is hot. I love these. Oh, I love this whole line. So good, so good. So guys, that was my try on haul for the Remy Lashes from Ardell. I hope you enjoyed it. I surely did, because now I am a fan. I see how, because these bomb. Remy Lashes, yeah. Drugstore too? Yeah, guys, I enjoyed myself. This was fun. I like these lashes. Like, the bands are immaculate. I'm still not over how good the band is. I'm like, why is your band so good? Like, I don't know why it gets, like, why does it go on my eye within like 4 seconds, the longest flat? Like, I've never had any lashes, any line for many years that I put on lashes off and on in my life. I've never had a lash band. It says it's an invisible band, but it is not that easy to put on still sometimes. So I'm like really shook. Like, I'm like, am I getting better at putting on lashes? I think it's the Ardell lash band. This line, like, they wrapped themselves up in a bow and said, you know, before you leave, before you let go of us, just want to give you a reminder how we was bombing at the end, like we gave it to you. So thank you for watching my video, guys, and thank you for checking me out, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you can always catch these lash videos and everything else I got on this channel. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.